Welcome to the London Live Session Trade Review. I'm Rory Kruger, I'm the London Session Coach, and I'm going to walk you through what we did today in the London session. Well, what you're looking at the moment is a pound-dollar 4-hour chart, and we were chatting in the room because a number of our traders got in on this pound short up this side of the area. We set them up in the London session a while back. They got short on the pound down there, and so as you can see from about that area to where we were currently today, we were sitting at about 300 pips. One of the members was sitting at about 311 pips profit, so we're roughly between 300 and 310 pips profit on that trade. And we came to this key level, the 157.07 level. So what I said to the guys was, if we get a breakout and a retest, I'm planning on going short to scale into the trade again. We got a number of pips profit on this trade, but why not add to a winning trade so far? So what we did is we set that up. As you can see, we got our breakout on the 4-hour chart. We got a retest as we expected, and we got short on this pair over there on 157.07. And as you can see, we've been pretty much about 107 pips profit in this one. We took a bit of that trade off already. We scaled into the trade, yes, but what we always do, guys, is if we take a trade and we get into profit, what we do is reward ourselves and pat ourselves on the back. And how we do that, congratulate ourselves for taking a good trade, is we take some of the profit from that trade and we put it in the bank. So we close out 1/3, a half, whatever the case may be. Well, how did we know to get out over there? Well, let me click over to the 1-hour chart for you. Have a look at what we got here. There is the pound dollar sitting right on the S2. Alright, so when we got into that area there, that is when we decided to take a bit of profit, and as you can see, that's going to be about 90 odd pips that we decided to take profit at. There we go, 89 pips. That was right on the S2. That's where we close out 1/3 or 1/2, whatever you are comfortable with. As you can see, the stop loss is at break even, and we've been up to 107 pips profit on this. What we're expecting, obviously, hopefully by the end of today, if not maybe next week, is a close below S2 retest and then a continuation down to S3. If you look at the long-term goal for this pair, what we're aiming at, and you might think we're crazy, but you know what, we've achieved most of our targets so far, but we're aiming at this level down here, 153.48, between the 153.48 and 153.50 level, and that's where we're going to be taking this trade down to. So when we're done with this trade, when we've reached our target, our guys are going to be sitting anywhere about 658 profits so far, 658 pips in profit, sorry. So far the guys are sitting at about 300 to 400 pips, depending on where they got in. And so this is a great looking trade at the moment. The other trade that we managed, that we continue to manage today, was this euro-dollar trade. We got in, as you saw in our previous videos, right off that level there. Alright, so we got in right over there at 140.13, and as you can see, we're currently sitting at about 342 pips profit on this trade as well. We did a similar thing here, guys, with a breakout, a retest, and a continuation pattern down, so we added into that trade, and so we're looking good on that one as well. So I had a really great week in the London session this week at Traders Haven. If you'd like to come and join us and watch us trade these pairs and want to join us in trading the pairs, pop over to the live sessions. We'd love to have you in London with me, Rory Kruger, or in the New York session with Chima Bury. If you pop over to fab-tradershaven.com, you can register with us and join us in these sessions. We'd love to have you come.